So first thing first, you have to sign in on your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure the subscription is still active. Because you cannot watch a wealth of entertainment without having YouTube TV base plan first. So from the homepage of YouTube TV, to buy the base plan, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the store icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And then you want to click right here on YouTube TV. And as you can see, to buy the base plan, you have to pay 16 bucks per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. So just click on next and complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And after you buy the package, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for wealth. Right here on a wealth of entertainment, you want to click on it. And then you can scroll down and see the live session of the AWE. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.